The Super Bowl game is over and I have all this leftover shrimp. I'm Tess and today I'm making a delicious shrimp roll sandwich. Stay tuned. I already know what your question is. Tess, who has leftover shrimp to use in a recipe? Well, probably not many, but I did get these gorgeous jumbo cooked shrimp from our local grocery store. It was the morning after the Super Bowl game, and I couldn't pass up a good deal. The shrimp were steamed in a Cajun seasoning and already have some great flavor, so these are perfect for a shrimp roll sandwich. These shrimp are quite large, so I'm cutting them into about half-inch pieces, and I have about 1.5 pounds. This will make 2 nice-sized stuffed shrimp roll sandwiches. In a large bowl I have the shrimp, and I'm adding in 3 garden onions and the greens only. I want the background of the onion flavor, but not the bite. You could also use chives. I'm also adding in 1 finely chopped stalk of celery. I really like the brightness of lemon in a lobster or shrimp roll. I'm using about 3 to 4 grates of lemon zest and 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, giving everything a good toss. For this amount of shrimp, I'm using about 3 good tablespoons of mayonnaise. You don't want the shrimp swimming in the dressing. You want a light coating with good flavor. This is 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This is optional. I like a little background heat, and I'm adding in a couple drizzles of Old Bay hot sauce. I have this in the refrigerator, and it's great on chicken. You can add your favorite hot sauce, or a little cayenne pepper will do. Speaking of Old Bay seasoning, this is about 1/4 teaspoon, and you can add to your taste. This will add nicely to the already Cajun seasoned cooked shrimp. And finally, 1 teaspoon of parsley. This is dried parsley, but if you have fresh, that would be the best. Giving everything a good thorough toss, covering and refrigerating for 1 to 2 hours before serving. I'm choosing a nice firm split roll that will hold up to all that delicious shrimp salad. You can use the roll as is, or we like it buttered and toasted. This amount of shrimp made 2 of these delicious, nice-sized shrimp roll sandwiches, or they would make 4 smaller sandwiches. The flavor is outstanding. The shrimp remains the highlight and lightly coated in that creamy Old Bay Cajun dressing. The celery and lemon add some brightness. A great way to use that leftover shrimp. These shrimp roll sandwiches didn't last long. I hope you give this shrimp roll recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!